Yo, what's up everyone? It's Big B TV coming at you with another video. So in today's video, we're gonna talk about my 2020 Mustang GT's exhaust setup. I get a lot of questions on Instagram, YouTube, and stuff like that of what exhaust setup I have on my car. A lot of people seem to like it and they always tell me they never heard anything like it. So in today's video, we're gonna talk about it. I'm gonna tell you exactly what I have. Okay, so like I said, I have a 2020 Mustang GT. It is the 10-speed automatic and it's fully stock. The only thing I've done to this car was just a full exhaust system, and the exhaust system I have on this car is Corsa Performance. Now they are the black tips, so they are kind of dirty. You know, I drive this car on the daily, so they get kind of like just build up with carbon and stuff like that. But they are the black tips. They also have the rainbow effect. I don't know if you can see it on camera. It has like a little rainbow effect. That's why I went with this one instead of the steel ones, or like the, you know, the other ones, you know what I mean, the basic ones in my opinion. So I have the Corsa Extreme. This is not the Corsa Sport, it is the Corsa Extreme. I was warned and I was told by Corsa that the Extreme was going to be a little loud than the Sport one. So I was like, you know what, if you're telling me it's going to be a little bit more louder, then that's all you had to say to me. So right now I'm going to go ahead and pop the hood open to let y'all know that this car is complete stock. Now this is what I don't like about the Mustang. So I have you guys in my hand, and then my other hand, I could do the latch thing, right? I could do the latch, but it has a pop rod. So with the pop rod, I have to use my other hand. So I'm gonna go ahead and put y'all down for a little bit while I do that. So there we have it. We have the hood open, and as you can see, stock airbox, no headers, no anything like that. Nothing to kind of give the exhaust more boost in sound, so nothing going crazy in here. So enough of that, I'm gonna go ahead and give you an exhaust note. Now, I don't know about you guys, but that exhaust system is like the perfect exhaust system, okay? So I know a lot of Mustangs, a lot of people, they go the cheaper route. They do the straight pipe, they cut off the factory exhaust and they put their own mufflers and, you know, straight pipe it and whatnot. I don't know, it is loud, but it's like an obnoxious loud. It's not like a satisfying loud. And these cars are nice looking cars. You know, you want them to look nice and sound nice at the same time. A lot of people get these cars and they go the cheaper route, you know what I mean? So invest in a good exhaust system, y'all. So I do have a discount code with these guys. I'll put the discount code on the screen for y'all, so I'll go ahead and tap in. I got all the links in the description also, so if you want a direct link, go to the description below, tap the little the Corsa thing. I have my discount code on there as well, but I'm gonna put it on the screen so y'all can just pause it and look it up and whatnot. Good exhaust system is worth it, you know what I mean? It just sounds better, looks better. You've seen the black tips. I know they're kind of dirty. Just stay tuned. Subscribe to see more videos. I'm gonna show you more of the car, kind of get more in detail with the car, kind of keep you updated with, you know, the stuff that goes on and stuff like that. You got to get the Extreme, okay? If you go Sport, it ain't it. Okay, so what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna go ahead and close the hood. Got this pop rod thing right here. It's kind of annoying, but it is what it is. So what we're gonna do, I'm gonna take this car on the freeway. I'm gonna get some B-roll footage of like real world exhaust notes and clips like that, you know what I mean, what it sounds like being next to this car on the freeway. So we're gonna go ahead and do that. Alright everybody, so that's gonna be the end of the video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, do what you want to do. And if you're interested in Corsa exhaust, I do have a discount code. I have the link in the description below. Like I said, I'll even put the name on the screen for y'all or the code on the screen for y'all, so y'all can go ahead and, you know, save some money when you're buying the high quality exhaust like I mentioned. But if you like today's video, please give it a big thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe. As always, I'll catch you guys next video. Peace.